Morning everyone, it's just about 9 o'clock. We're doing a site check. The plumbers were here working late last night. We're gonna make sure everything's okay, leave the door open for the painters, and we're gonna talk about realtor moves today. One of the things that I get to do is that I get to build and market the homes that I'm working on. I also work with buyers and sellers all over Long Island, helping to get them in the right situation or out of the home they're living in. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. Let's talk about the real estate deals that I'm working on right now as a realtor, separate from the homes that I'm building. The first one is actually one that we're closing on today. I gotta be there in about an hour. This is a 4-bed, 2.5-bath colonial in Dix Hills. The interesting thing about this deal is this is actually the client's second time working with me. The first time was about 5 years ago. They bought a fully renovated house in Hicksville. At the time, they had one kid, and it was an ideal situation for them. But this time around, they wanted a basement. They wanted a more traditional floor plan. So we found this colonial in Dix Hills. When they had reached out to me, they had been having a hard time finding a home on their own, and within 2 weeks of a DM that I received at 11:30 on a Friday night, they were officially in contract on this home. I'm very happy to share that good news. They have a second baby now, and this is a great area, great school district, and a house with good bones. One of the things that I was able to provide with this deal was, at the price point that we were at and the things that we wanted on our wish list, we knew that the house was going to need some work. So one of the things that I provide my clients is, even during that first walkthrough, I'm able to identify problem areas, sort of assign costs to projects down the road, and that's what we did here. We went and saw the house immediately when I found it. They had already had an accepted offer, but they hadn't completed their home inspection yet, and we swooped in. We made quick decisions. We were able to evaluate the situation that right there on the spot and make an offer, get our inspection done before that other person who had been dragging their feet, and get the deal done. And about 2 months later and a bunch of issues later, we're ready to go. We're closing today, and I'm really happy for them. So the second deal that I'm working on right now is with one of my subcontractors. Over the years, we had spoken a number of times about them moving out to Long Island from Queens and settling into a good school district. And when the time came, I was able to help, and it was very rewarding. We had a tight budget of about $450,000. We were looking for a 4-bed, 2-bath home, which is 100% move-in ready. And for those of you that know the Long Island market, you know that that's a very difficult price point right now, and there's an insane amount of competition. We looked at a number of homes. We made an offer on one, and we're very serious. We countered, and we really thought we had it, and we didn't get the house. So that was somewhat disappointing, but sometimes losing a house is the best thing that can happen for a buyer. So when the next house came around and we knew it checked off all the boxes, we took it very seriously. We went to the first open house, we made an offer the same evening, and we followed that up with strong communication and follow-ups pretty much every day until the deal was done. So we're in contract now as of last Friday, and we're working on getting them the mortgage. And the house is move-in ready. They're going to get to do a kitchen down the road, but otherwise the house is substantially renovated. It's on a half-acre, 3 village schools, South Setauket, and I'm very excited for them. Very, very happy for them. Lastly, let's talk about the homes that I'm building that are going to be coming to market soon. As you already know, Hicksville 1 is in contract, and the couple builds that I'm working on right now are at various phases. Hicksville number 2, Plainview 1, Plainview 2, and North Belmore are all going to be coming on the market in the next couple weeks. I've been kind of slow playing it, getting at least the permits filled out, completed, get them back, and get into the position where I can at least have something to show somebody. But this is going to be a very interesting time. I very personally market every home that I build. I attend every showing. I'm there to answer every question as both the builder and the broker, and I can essentially put a deal together right there on the spot if somebody's serious. And the way the market is right now and how low inventory levels are, I believe that all of these homes will be in contract in the next few months, and most of them prior to completion. So we're going to have that aspect again of customization towards the end. They can pick their tile, their trim, their cabinets, and continue to build that rapport and that reputation with satisfied clients that have bought homes from us and have had similar experiences, and that can share that with you guys. So on that note, I want to close out this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, I'm telling you, every day is a movie at Pinnacle Real Estate. There's so much content day to day that I can't put into a 5-minute vlog episode, but you'll be able to get through Instagram. So definitely follow me on Instagram. Share this with your friends and family, and we'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day, everyone.